Do you ever just want money to come into your bank accounts while sleeping or on holiday? If your answer is yes, then you must learn about passive income. This type of income, also known as unearned income, requires little effort to earn or maintain. If you're running a side hustle or just need a little extra money each month, passive income can be a great way to supplement your income. In good times, passive income can help you earn more money. And in bad times, it can keep you afloat if you lose your job or take time off. Welcome to Capital Finance, folks. Let's look at some passive income ideas for you in 2022. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and let's start with the first idea. Deposit your savings in banks with high interest yields. If you have money in the bank and haven't given it a second thought, you're likely not getting the most out of it. Moving your money into higher yielding bank accounts can help your money grow quicker than you've been experiencing, but it won't make you rich overnight. And the most significant part is that most banks don't need a minimum balance, so you can start earning interest on the money you have, even if you don't have much. Savings account interest rates were a pitiful 0.09% on average as of 2019. What many people don't realize, though, is that there are many better solutions out there. When it comes to cash accounts, virtual savings accounts now offer an APY of 4%, which is more than 27 times higher than the average interest rate. And because these accounts are fee-free, the difference in the interest you earn is all yours. I know what you're thinking. How much of a difference does this really make over the year? Just $4 a year would be earned on $1,000 in a basic savings account with a 0.09% yearly return. However, a high-interest bank account with a 4% yearly interest rate would leave you with $40 in your wallet. Even if it doesn't require much effort, it will only grow in value as you add more money to the account. The second idea: create an interesting YouTube channel. There are thousands of people just like you and me making money on YouTube each day. Many individuals use YouTube to entertain themselves or to learn new things. Almost all their money comes from YouTube, and a large portion is passive. When someone watches one of your videos, advertisements may show, and you can earn money from them. Alternatively, after the video is published, your visitors can purchase your courses or affiliate products, allowing you to make money with no additional effort on your part. Maintaining a successful YouTube channel requires constant effort and video production. Nevertheless, once videos are published, they become a valuable digital asset that can be used to generate additional income and eventually sales. The third idea: start your own online selling business. A positive income stream can be generated through an online store because of the rise in popularity of e-commerce. Dropshipping is particularly popular, and here's how it works if you've never heard of it. There are certain manufacturers whose item you sell through an internet store you have set up. When a customer comes to your website and places an order, your system notifies the manufacturer of the request. If everything goes according to plan, you'll be paid when the product is delivered to the customer. You don't need to stock up on inventory, which means fewer startup costs, making this form of business ideal if you have little money to work with. Moreover, it is possible to start your business on a budget. In contrast to the hundreds of dollars required to create a clothing store in your location, drop shippers can set up their shops in Shopify, which charges $30 per month. In a nutshell, once you've got your store up and running, the rest can be automated, giving you passive income. The fourth idea: start your own ad agency. Think about the number of small businesses in your town. Most likely, they aren't leveraging social media to its full potential to bring in new customers or increase sales. Most people will have a standard Facebook page, but that won't be enough to get the message out in today's crowded newsfeed. A Facebook ad agency owner can become involved there, Once you get the client's ad campaign up and running, there isn't much work for you to do regularly. It's a relatively hands-off business approach, except for checking in for a few minutes each day. After the initial setup, I still believe it to be passive. The agency might be a single person, or it can grow as it serves additional clients. The art and skill of Facebook advertising can be learned even if you have little or no experience. There are a variety of free and low-cost tutorials for beginners and intermediates on YouTube, and its advantages to offer services like Facebook marketing, because you exchange experience for the money, which often requires less capital upfront than building a clothing store or making a real product. The fifth idea: make a course and sell it online. Selling digital items like online courses is a great way to cash in on the information age's most valuable resource, knowledge. You may be thinking, I don't know what to write a course about, and that's just fine. You can find a market for just about any information product online, from web development classes to productivity advice. The odds are high that you possess a wide range of expertise that can be put to good use in developing an educational offering. Additionally, you don't need to spend any money to get started using this passive income strategy, because creating an online course is so inexpensive, and most courses are simply audio files embedded in a slideshow or a video of the course author recorded with a smartphone. The sixth idea: create and sell an ebook. It's possible to publish your own ebook if you enjoy writing, but don't want to deal with the technological issues of blogging. Because ebooks tend to be more organized than traditional books, writing a masterpiece is less of a challenge. What's even better is the low cost of generating passive income with this strategy. The only thing you need to publish in your ebook is a Word document with your text and a cover image if you have access to a computer. For a small fee, you may hire a professional to help you with all of your book's writing, editing, and design aspects. For $5, you can hire a professional book cover designer on Fiverr, and proofreading services are also available. For $50 or less, you can create a long-term source of income. If you're interested in trying your hand at the ebook publishing business, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is the most straightforward option. It only takes a few minutes to publish an ebook, and most Kindle stores worldwide display it within a few days. Amazon KDP allows you to set your own prices and make modifications to your book at any moment, allowing you to earn up to 70% royalties on each sale to customers in most countries. The seventh idea: start your own blogging website. Even if you're only a lousy writer, starting a blog can be a great way to earn money while you sleep. Even while beginning a blog does require a lot of time and effort, once you have your content up and it gains popularity in the Google search engine, you'll be earning profit regardless of whether or not you keep posting new material. You may be wondering how the blog makes money. Readers will interact with your blog when it gets more views or traffic. This can be accomplished by clicking your affiliate links and purchasing things you promote, by buying courses you build, or simply by helping you earn money through Google AdSense. If you're looking to build a long-term passive income stream, this is an approach that will require some initial effort. You'll need to study, publish, and promote your material to achieve momentum on your site. Then again, as I said, it will continue to bring in money for you month after month after the content has been published. Moreover, starting a blog has a cheap initial investment. Just a domain name and web hosting are all you need, as low as $3 per year and less than $30 per 2 years for a domain name from GoDaddy are enough time to start producing money from your website. Web hosting from Bluehost costs less than $5 a month, or around $50 a year. If you want to start earning passive money, this could be yours for as little as $50 a year. The ideal passive income source depends on several criteria, including the amount of money you have to invest, the total opportunity size, your interest and ability in the area, the amount of time you need to contribute, and the possibility to succeed, among other things. The more rivals there are, and the lesser the chances of success, and the lower the competition, the lesser the entry barriers are. So, if you have all these criteria checked, it's time to start your first passive income source. And that's it for today's video. If you like this content, make sure you have subscribed to Capital Finance for more videos like this. See you!